Welcome to Exploring Expressions, some short, sharp videos that are designed to help you understand the expressions that we have within Power Automate, so the low-code formulas that we can use for data manipulation. Today we're going to be looking at concat or concatenation, so combining multiple strings together. In my example flow, I have two strings. I've got them stored in composes. They could also be from any other type of action, but for simplicity I'm using compose. My first string says today is, my second string says Thursday. So I want to combine this into one sentence, which is today is Thursday. Let's come down to my result. I'm going to use an expression to combine these. If I click into my inputs box, for my compose, it could be any other type of input or input into an action. I can come to my insert expression, which is the FX button, and then I get my expression editor. I can do one of two things now. I can either start to type concat, or I can select concat from my expression selector below. When I go to use the expression concat, I need to provide at least two strings for me to combine together into one string. Now I can use a combination of dynamic content, and I can also use static strings. Those static strings have to be encapsulated in single quotes. So I'm going to take my string 1, I'm going to take my string 2, and then I'm also going to put a space in between by using a static string. So I've got concat, I'm going to switch to my dynamic content, and I'm going to select my string 1. I'm going to put a comma, or whatever the separator is for your geography. This will change depending on your geographic settings. I'm going to use a static string to put a space in. So I'm going to put two single quotes and then a space. So it puts a space between my two strings. Otherwise, it's going to mash them together. And then finally, let's go and select my string 2. And let's press add. Okay, and let's press save. Now, if we run this, what we'll see is we'll take string 1, string 2, and the static string, and it all combines together into today is Thursday. Very simple expression to get into, but very, very powerful when you're doing string manipulation, especially when you're working directly in actions, not having to do it step by step through various composes. I hope that's been useful as an overview of the concatenate expression or concat, and I look forward to seeing you next time.